vinyl graphics and letters consist of three parts. The top layer is a low-tack application tape used to hold your letters in place and to protect the face during application. The bottom layer is the paper release liner. This waxy paper acts as a carrier of the vinyl and when removed exposes the vinyl adhesive. Between the low-tack application tape and the paper release liner is the adhesive vinyl lettering. This vinyl is what will remain on the surface when the installation is completed. Here are some tools to help you with your vinyl installation. A squeegee to evenly press the lettering onto the surface. If you do not have a squeegee, a credit card will work just fine. A non-abrasive cleaner such as soap and water or Formula 409 to clean and prep the target area. A clean, lint-free cloth. In our demonstration, we will be using ordinary paper towels. Masking tape to hold the vinyl in place during application. And a level to ensure proper placement of the graphic. Today, we will be installing our vinyl graphics to a car window. Spray and wipe the window surface, making sure it's cleaned thoroughly. The procedure for applying adhesive vinyl to the window is no different than the procedure we use for applying vinyl to vehicles, yard signs, banners, or any type of vinyl signage. After your surface area has been cleaned thoroughly, attach a small piece of masking tape to the top two corners of your vinyl and position your graphic on the window. To ensure that the image will be applied straight and even, use your level to make adjustments for final positioning. Once you have the lettering in your desired position on the window, you are ready to apply. You will create a hinge using masking tape. Apply a strip of tape along the top edge of the lettering, allowing half of the masking tape to adhere to the window surface and the other half to the top of your lettering. For added security, overlap an additional strip of tape. Once the lettering is secure, cut in between the letters to make the sections more manageable for application. You can use masking tape to secure the unused sections while you work on the area you will be applying. Lift the lettering up so the back of the paper release liner is facing you. From one corner, carefully peel away the release liner at a 180-degree angle from the adhesive side of the vinyl, making sure your lettering separates from the paper release liner while holding the lettering away from the surface. After the backing paper has been removed and the adhesive side of the vinyl lettering is exposed, carefully lower the vinyl onto the glass. Starting from the top and center of the lettering, squeegee firmly down, working from the middle outward using overlapping strokes. Make sure that your lettering has been firmly pressed onto the surface area. Continue the same procedure with the remaining sections. Keep in mind, once the adhesive part of the vinyl touches the surface, it cannot be removed without ruining the vinyl. Now that your lettering has been applied, it's time to remove the application tape. Start from the upper corner. Carefully peel off the application tape at a 180-degree angle, making sure that you are only pulling off the tape and not the lettering. If the lettering starts to come up with the tape, firmly re-squeegee that section down and continue with the tape removal. You may notice a few small bubbles have formed underneath the vinyl. To remove trapped air bubbles, puncture the side of the bubble with a needle or pen and smooth with your fingers. The majority of the trapped air bubbles will disappear in a few days. Maintain your vinyl graphics easily by cleaning with non-abrasive cleaner or just plain soap and water. Wipe carefully so not to lift the corners of the newly applied letters. Congratulations, your lettering should last for years.